Hi there, it's Mark here again, and welcome to this video where we're going to have a quick look at the latest body set that I've got from Tamiya, which is the Subaru Impreza WRC 2008. So we're going to take a look at what you get in the box with this body set and have a quick chat about what makes it this different to all the other Subaru rally cars that came before. And also a couple of little things that set this body set apart from other Tamiya Subaru body sets. So as you can see, I've got two other Tamiya Subarus. This is the 1999 Richard Burns liveried Subaru World Rally Car. As you can see, this is a saloon car body. Basically, it's got a boot, or a trunk as the Americans call it. I think the Americans call it a sedan. And this 1999 version was two-door. Now I think all of the earlier Subarus came with this branding, this yellow kind of swirl, which is derived from 555, which I think is a cigarette company or a cigarette brand. And as you know, motorsport was frowning upon tobacco sponsorship, so they kind of went with this design instead of the 555. Eventually phased that out completely, as we'll see with the 2008 car. This is a great body set. The decals that came with this for the windows were clear, as you can see, and I've got cockpit set inside there so you can see the drivers, and as you can see it's got stickers for the lights. But a very nice two-door body, as you can see, with a nice colour-coded wing on the back there. So that's the 1999 version. The other Tamiya Subaru body I've got is this 2004 Mexico version. As you can see, this is slightly different. It's a saloon or a sedan again, but this one, as you can see by the door handles, is a four-door version. And I think this originally came on a TT01, although obviously you can buy the body part set separately. And this one has got like a much bigger wing on it. It's got the stickers for the headlights. And this one came with solid window decals. So they were totally opaque and no light was getting through those at all. And because I wanted to use the cockpit set, I actually cut out those solid portions of the window decals so you could see through. And as you can see, the yellow livery, these swirls, are much bigger on this version. They're quite huge, aren't they? Really set this one off, I think. So onto the new body set, and we'll see why this one is completely different to all the others. So there's your Lexan body shell, and as you can see, we've got to cut this out, and it hasn't got pre-cut wheel arches. Some of these are pre-cut in some of the other Tamiya shells, but this one we need to do, so I'll get the scissors out on that. And as it's difficult to see here, I'll just put up a quick picture of what the actual car looks like. So you might have noticed it hasn't got a boot or a trunk. So this is a hatchback, and it's a four-door. And Subaru moved on to this shape, and they thought this one was going to be better because there was less overhang on the front and the back. But I don't think that really worked out, because the car didn't actually do that well in the rally of 2008. But yeah, so there's a complete deviation. We've got no boot, but we still will have a wing on the back. Another quick look from a different angle. And as you can see, one of the biggest differences, it hasn't got that tobacco sponsorship. The yellow logos have completely gone on this one. It is completely different. I suppose it doesn't really follow the same theme as the others, but I've got to say, I think it really is a really nice looking car. Anyway, one of the biggest things that sets this body set off for me are the light buckets. Let's just get them out. So there we go, lovely chrome finish parts, and I think this really raises this above the other Subaru body sets from Tamiya, because a light bucket always looks far more realistic than a sticker. And obviously the other benefit is we can put LEDs in. I think we can put 3 each side in the front and 3 in the rear as well. Now some of the other Tamiya kits that have got light buckets, they're black or red plastic, and you have to paint them silver. So again, the chrome plating is a massive hop up for me. And you get with it the set of LED stoppers, which hold the LEDs in from the back with a screw, and got a kind of U-shaped bracket. You also get a pack with the R-clips in it, O-rings, little screws for connecting the body parts on, and tape for affixing those light buckets. You also get the rear wing, which looks pretty cool. It's kind of a 2-layer or double layer wing. You've got your wing mirrors, and then you've got the scoop which goes on the top of the roof. So a quick look at the stickers or the decals. And here are the window masks. So we stick these on the inside of the windows for spraying, and I think that is a definite bonus. You didn't get that with the 2004 because of the solid windows. You did with the 1999 version. And we get two sets of decals, as you can see. You've got like the black and the silver one there, and the coloured one here. And another bonus for this one is that if I peel it back, you can see these are pre-cut. Where, hey, brilliant. And the other thing is you might be able to see through that sticker there is that the smoke effect is applied to the windows, so no need for spraying the inside of the windows with Tamiya PS smoke paint. I really like that. I think that's a real bonus for this body set. And the other sticker sheet, as you can see, is also pre-cut. Bonus. And yeah, so those are all the detail stickers. And as you can see, you get the lights. So if you don't want to put the light buckets in for some strange reason, you can just put the stickers on, or you get the alternative stickers there, which go round the outside of the light lenses themselves. So finally, a quick look at the instructions. As you can see here, it just shows nice and simple. You put those window masks on, and then it's just one colour, and which is PS16 blue, Tamiya PS16, and shows you there where you fit all the stickers, all the numbered stickers. That looks like fun. There's still a lot of them. And then you've got attaching the mirrors, the scoop on the top, and the wing on the back, and obviously how to fit the LEDs and light buckets. So there we go then. So this body is going to go on a new rally project I've got coming soon on TTO2. Look out for that. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.